Hello, so today we're getting our book size on the KDP calculator. Before designing your book, you need to know the exact size and dimensions to use for designing your book. So I'm going to walk you through how to use the KDP calculator. Let's jump right in. KDP calculator. This is where we are going to determine our book size. So because you're already logged into Amazon KDP, it's so easy. Just go back on Google and type Amazon KDP calculator. I'm doing this step by step, but not to worry. I have a template that you can play around with. I'm going to show that to you in a bit. You can also find it in the materials that are attached to this course. But now this is doing it raw for you to understand it. So we'll go to the calculator. And when we get there, I will show you how we can size our book. Yeah, so this is where we are with the calculator page. This is where we're going to put the size of our book. Now, if you click on binding type, it's asking you, do you want hardcover or paperback? If you choose hardcover, your book will be more expensive. Now, we're doing a low content book, the barest minimum, so that you can at least make something from it, sell it for a reasonable price so that your sales can run faster. People can buy your book on time. So we will click on paperback. And then what about the interior? Do we want black, white? Do we want premium color, or do we want standard color? I'm going to go with premium color because I'm making children's book, and we know that children like things that are more fascinated. So I'm going to pick premium color. Now, paper type, of course, I want it white paper. That's even the only option we have there. And the reading direction, it's always left to right. That's what I've always known. People choose right to left, but let's go with left to right. Now, measurement, I want it in inches. I believe that inches is easier to understand, and I will show that more to you on Canva. Once you have inches, it's very easy for you to convert your book sizes easily on Canva. So we're clicking on inches, and then interior size. Now, this is the trick. This is where it's very, very tricky. What size of book are we going for? For children's book, I usually lean on 7.5 by 9.25. I'm going to put a picture in your courses there. You will find different book sizes, but today we're going to go on the standard size, which is 7.5 times by 9.25. This is a standard book size that you can use for most things that you want to try out. This is just for learning purposes. If you want to make like a novel, you can do like 6 by 9. 5.25 by 8 is the size is kind of small and a bit long. My two favorite are 6 by 9 and 7 by 5 times 9.25. So we're going to pick that option here for the sake of this tutorial. And then how many pages do we want? Our book should not be less than 24. So it is 24 and above. So for now, I don't even know what my number of pages will be, but just to be on the safe side, see, it has given you, it said your pages need to be between 24 to 830 pages. So I'm just going to put 50 pages, which I know is going to be less than that, but let me just leave it at 50. Okay, and then it doesn't matter, but it shouldn't be less than 24. So we'll go ahead and calculate our margins. So we click on calculate. Okay, so this is our book cover. This is what we are going to take over to Canva to begin to design our book. So what you need to do here is go ahead and click on download. You see in the bottom here, you see where my cursor is, download template. So click on download template. And there we go. This is going to be in our download file. So I'll see you on my next video where we can go ahead to create our book cover and our interior, which is called the manuscript. This is my download here. You should have yours. So I'll see you in my next video for us to design our book.